High-strength nitrile rubber construction helps prevent cracking. Material. Plastic. May be cut to desired length. Expandable for an adjustable fit, the hose is suitable for many different automotive, household and workshop uses. No special tools necessary. Support available. Every Dorman part is backed by Dorman's ASE Blue Seal certified technical support team. Available in a variety of diameters, Dorman's HVAC blower fan hose is flexible, strong, and easy to install. It helps return your vehicle's HVAC system to its original performance. Top reviews from the United States. Functional ability. The quality and working ability. These were great, they are flexible but plenty strong. Dorman definitely lives up to their reputation.